Welcome to another video. I'm here with Derek Jan. Ayan. Kung di nyo pa nakikita si Derek Jan of YVS Production. Ayan. YVS Production. Yan yung shooter natin, yan yung direct natin. So, we are still here in Sports Cars for a Cause in BGC. So, actually, nag-shoot na kami ni Derek. So, this is episode number 2. Kasi the event is so huge. Napakadaming entries, more than 300 cars. Supercars, vintage, Miatas, JDMs, lahat nandito. Not enough for one episode. So, gumawa ako. I decided biglaan to make a separate episode and I want to feature the vintage, yung mga classic. I think yun nga yung main character dito sa event na to yung mga vintage nila, yung mga RWBs, yung mga Porsches, everything andito, puro Euro, no, na mga vintage. So I decided to make a separate episode. So this is it. Ito lang, I'm happy to introduce Derek Jan. So any video materials you need, video editing, top of the line na mga gamit na equipment niyan. So contact YVS. So sa mga hindi nakapanood ng episode namin ni Derek nung last time, ito, sunod na episode. Ay, ewan ko lang kung kailan i-upload ito. Pero most probably mauna siya. Then I'll follow this one. Pwede rin, no? Okay lang naman, mauna to, tapos tsakain ka niya. Anyway, dito kami sa Pangko Cafe ba. Ang hirap pala talaga pumunta sa mga event na ganito. Both of us are really tired. Kasi ang ingress is about 6 a.m. and we are part of the SLK Club. Shout out to the group. Part tayo. Dahil dinala natin yung SLK, sumali tayo, may entry. Mamaya, ano pa, bilang kita. Nakakapagod lang, wala kaming tulog, tapos hindi mo alam saan ka pupunta rito. Napakadaming kotse, exotics, may SUVs, may off-road, may mga Beetle, may classics, lahat, no? So mararatel ka. Yun lang, just sharing the experience. We are very tired right now. Ano pa lang, 10 o'clock in the morning. We were here mga 6:30 ata. So, ayun. The BGC Sports Car for a Cause. Yan. Andito tayo sa main area. So apparently, the middle part, yung pala yung main area, no? Kasi the SLK Club, it's on the other street. So just to give you a glimpse of this awesome event, one of the most exciting events in the Philippines. All the supercar clubs, all the sports car are gathered in one location. And this one, gusto ko lang talaga i-highlight ang mga vintage. Like here, we have a Cobra na replica siguro. Diba? Ganda ng side exhaust, no? Look at the side exhaust. 427 Ford Cobra. Grabe, ang galing. So, dinarive siya. Pupunta rito. As you can see, one-seater. Ganda, ang ganda pa ng cover niya dito. Mahaba, oh. No? I think it's running on carburetors. Tapos we have a couple of Aston Martins here. Mga 4 na Aston Martins. So I believe mga V12 yan, if I'm not mistaken. We have the blue. Tapos ito, may favorite color, yung orange. Very nice color. Dito yung pwesto ni Mr. Angie King, mga Porsche Club niya, mga RWBs. Over here, still in the Aston Martin area, ayan, V12. Kami yung brakes. Carbon ceramic brakes. No? So Streamline, shout out Richard, mga Aston Martin mo, dalawa, nami-miss ko na. We were able to feature a couple of Aston Martins before, Vantage S. So as you can see here in the Philippines, car culture is very much alive. I'm loving the plate of this one, AML V12 08 James Bond. Ito yung James Bond data. Yung ginamit ni James Bond. No? Sa loob, full of carbon. I love the stitching. Grabe yung stitch niya. This is a very beautiful car. Aston Martin, running on Michelin's. Ito. James Bond na James Bond yung harap. Ayan, no? Nice, no? Even the color. So again, this event, daming tao here. For the Sisters of Mary Foundation. So this is a charity event. Ayan. Then may event doon, may stage doon. The Sisters of Mary performing Tapos may kumakanta kanina, ayun. Super like the event, super smooth. Walang nagre-rev ng maingay na kotse, everyone's behave. Quality people ang pumupunta. We have YVS here doing our shots. Thank you YVS for the production. Ayan si Jan, para ma-meet nyo, YVS Production is here with me, sinamahan ako. Ito, mga wild na decals of our good friend, Second Skin. Grabe yung mga livery, no? Ang galing. So much happening, pero it works well with the car. This one also, I love the stripes. And of course, ito mga RWBs. And we have a Lambo. Aalis na. So rolling shots. Galing, no? Oh, hirap pumalis. Full of people. Ingay, SVJ. SVJ pala, yo. DDE. Grabe. What a rowdy car. Grabe, no? SVJ pa siya, oh. So that's not the normal Lambo pa. Mas mataas pa na Lambo. Ingay. So paalis na siya. Because this event started very early, everybody's rushing to exit. Yan. Ito maganda to feature the car na kasi ando na sila. So these are the RWBs. Here in the Philippines, very active ang RWB. Thanks to Miss Angie King. Siyempre siya yung nag-spearhead nito. Because of her, sumikat ang RWB, known for the wide body with Nakaisan. Ilan na sila? More than 10. Every year, Nakai visits us para to make more RWBs. Ito yata yung pinakabago, yung kay Albert Martinez. Tama, Kurugane. Kurugane is here, parang no February. Binild lang to. So this is newly built by Nakaisan. Ito yung bagong binild nung nakaraan lang, ito yun. Ganda yung pagkakagawa, oh. Mr. Nakaisan ang gumawa nito. This is the first time I've seen the car close up. Classic na Porsche na 911, I think. Kuragani means black steel, if I can remember. Ito lang, no, for my opinion, medyo OA for me yung double wing. Gusto ko lang yung simple na wing na ganito. Not a fan of yung double. Pero the car looks like Batman, ang wide talaga, oh. And the exhaust, naka-twin. Ang ganda ng twin exhaust niya. Beautiful car. Doon sa binild niya ni Nakaisan this recently, ito yung favorite ko, Kuragani. Kay Sir Albert Martinez, manual pa siya, oh. Ito, in-import pa to from Japan. Pinadala nila dito just recently. And the mags. Tama yung mags, ang ganda. Idlers, no? Ayan, busog na busog tayo ngayon. On to the next. Grabe talaga, this event is so huge. Kulang talaga isang araw, one episode to feature everything. Again, to our friends abroad, car culture in the Philippines is very, very much alive. Pa-level up ng pa-level up. More RWBs for you ito. Kay Angie King din, Archangel. Pareho sila ng wing ni Kurugani. So you can see, yung double stack wing. Not a fan, pero style na yun, eh. But the wide body, I'm liking the wide body. I'm a fan of RWB. Don't get me wrong. Manual ba to? By your good friend Second Skin for the decals and the PPF. Yeah, manual. Sarap. Manual siya. Then moving on, more WBs. We got Rado. Ito, I'm loving the color. Kirsten. Ito, bago rin. Nanashi ito, si Angie King na yung gumawa, not Nakaisan. Ginawa niya sa shop niya. Just recently, in-upload naman niya tong video na to. I'm loving the pink accents. I like the pink accents. Targa. So, naka-tint siya and everything. This one I like. Ito, okay lang sa akin tong ganitong style ng wing. Not so much aggressive. And of course, Miss Angie's King 458. Slam. Slam on the ground direct. Bastos na bastos. Ito, famous na famous tong coaching to. And yung livery niya is with the Philippine flag. Parang yung Independence Day natin ginawa yan. Of course, by Second Skin. My good friend, Second Skin. Siya nag-wrap nito. Grabe, no? Dami tao. I'm loving the event. Ako, bihira ako pumunta sa event. Pero this one, pumunta tayo because our friends from SLK Club invited us over. And my entry, naka-rift exhaust. Ito, pinapaikot niya to, pinapa-donuts niya to. You know, being Angie King, wild as she is. Ito naman yung kotse niya, wild na wild. So, moving on, Tubero is here, famous din to. This RWE is famous. Ito, what's the name? Soleil. Soleil saucer here. Ganda ng mugs niya. No? Yeah, ito. Very important car for you. Kaya na ko pa nakita. The BMW 2002. First time ko nakakita in person. And this one, participated in Tour de Cebu. Ayan. Yung recent lang to, nung February yata. If you don't know Tour de Cebu, ayan, 2025 oh. 1,000 kilometers route yan sa Visayas. Sa Cebu sila, Tatawid, Iloilo, Bacolod, wherever. Basta, the goal is to achieve 1,000 kilometers. Ang alam ko, around 30-40 participants. Dapat vintage ka. Dapat sports car to be included. Our good friend Richard D, wala na yung kotse niya kanina, the Porsche Super Carrera na 1979. Umalis na ata siya. Kasama siya doon. Ito pala, Flat 6 Cafe, oh, yung pinupuntahan natin sa White Plains. So first time to see a 2002 BMW. Very nice. Look at the interior. Sobrang preserved, no? Ang galing ng interior niya with the chocolate interior and grabing vintage talaga. Look at that massive steering wheel. Yung mga analog na gauges, 92,000 kilometers. Miles siya. 92,000 miles. Amoy na amoy vintage sa loob. With that wood shifter, I love that BMW wood shifter. Ewan ko lang kung may aircon to. Ito sa likod. Ayan, 2002 BMW. Napakagandang vintage. No? The paint is flawless. Even the tires, I'm loving the Michelin's meaty. Tapos naka-BBS siya, period correct. 175's R13. 13 lang siya. No? So yun, maraming Tour de Cebu participant here. Mamaya, pakita ko sa inyo. Then here, merong Lotus. Itong Lotus na to, mukhang Ferrari, oh. Bagong Lotus, oh. Wala pang plate number. Another Lotus GT430. Ito, isa pang Lotus. See? That's sila. Everyone's here. We have a Gallardo, green one, a Ferrari. Tapos ito, a classic Porsche 911 or 993, sorry. Ganda to, simple lang, stock na stock. Ito naman yung color. Sorry for the sound, maingay. Pero ito ang gusto ko dito, yung wheel tail niya. This is the turbo pa, 3.6 turbo siya. So 993 ata to, if I'm not mistaken. With the massive wheel tail, ito stock. Kung ayaw mo ng RWB, if it's too much for you, then go for this one, the stock one. Very desirable, appreciating car. Mga more than 10 million na to if it's the turbo. Lalo na kung manual, and it's a manual. So more than 10 million mark for this car. Ito, this car you should see. Talagang, akala mo nasa UK tayo. But look what we have here. It's a Jaguar. Di ko alam what year, pero it's a Jaguar. Coventry. Sobrang restored. Kanina, I saw this car coming in. Tama yung mags, oh. Naka Willwood brakes. Ganda ng mags. So, I saw this car coming in. Galing. Ito, tinan mo yung loob. Jaguar. Manual. Siguro 4-speed. Tama yung mga gauges. Very analog. Grabe, ano ba to? 1950s? 1960s? I don't know. It's got the B plate. So, Japan entry siya. Diba? Oh. Sa Pilipinas, iba. This is the car culture in the Philippines. Very much alive. Owners are very much passionate about it. Talagang blood and sweat ang nilagay nila dito. This is your windshield. Dito, sakto lang sa mukha mo. No? Alright, on to the next. Ito pa, more Tour de Cebu participants, mga Datsun na yan. Oh. Ito, mukhang laging sumasali ng Tour de Cebu. 2005, 2023, may mga badges siya. Datsun. Fair Lady. Grabe, no? Where do you even get the parts for this one? Sa exterior, sa interior. Retro. Fair Lady. Manila, part of the Manila Sports Club. One of the main organizers of this event. Ito naman yung loob. Racing seats. Manual, of course. Meron pa siyang Hot Wheels doon. Everything is analog. Ito, parang bago na yung mga gauges niya. With the Momo steering wheel. Yan. Very raw, very analog. May helmet pa siya. Diba? Another fair lazy C. Participant of the Tour de Cebu. Marami sila kanina dito, around mga 4 nakita ko, pero umalis na ata yung iba. Datsa nito, wala masyadong decals. The owner kept it as stock as possible. Only with this badge, claiming na sumali siya. So, 1,000 kilometers, this car did it. Again, with the racing bucket seats. May timer pa. Grabe yung timer yun. Galing, ano? And here, ano to? What is this car? Fair Lady also. Ganda ng hood with the active hood scoop. Ata, buta siguro yan. No? And ito, what is this car? MG. Ito naman, British MG. Oh, the loving the color. Pag luma talaga, interior brown eh. Oh. Tapos with the gauges and everything. And of course, Benz tayo, may pagoda. Kung nag-iisang pagoda rito, this one. Pero medyo lolo na ang dating, no? Medyo for me, medyo pang lolo na to. Because of the headlight. Ayan, no? Medyo hindi ko lang trip yung headlight niya. Pero I love the grille. And the roof. So I'm loving the selection so far. Sobrang talagang, this event is really nice. Ito pa. Meron pang, this is the third GT40 I've seen here. Ito, I'll take picture. Ito talaga, mahal. Made famous by the movie for GT. Sobrang a much desirable car. Appreciating in value. Ganda pa ng kulay niya, red. And this is the 2005 ata model, I'm not sure. Tapos nilabas pa niya yung racing gloves. And iconic yung mga yung upuan niyang butas-butas. Kita mo yung side vents. Active. So the air will go in to the engine. Baka to supercharged na to. So this might be, ganda ng exhaust, oh. Sa gitna yung exhaust, oh. Supercharged, I think. Grabe. And the car is so low. The car is parang nasa waist ko lang. Hirap siguro i-drive nito, manual. No? So we've got the manual transmission. I'll just take pictures of this car. Kasi it's a 4GT. Hindi tayo araw-araw nakakita ng ganyan. Okay, moving on. Tour de Cebu participant. Anong kotse to? Hindi ko alam. Wait lang, hanapin natin. Alfa Romeo. Alfa Romeo. Participated Tour de Cebu. Anong year? I don't know what year. So, very well maintained. Vintage car. Ganito pala ang itsura ng Alfa Romeo inside. May kill switch, starter. There's even a button for the starter. Lahat sila manual. Again, pag manual, mas tumatagal, no? So, yun. Tapos the owners, they allow them to be inside, picture sa loob. Bait naman. And we have another Cobra here. Ito, weird. Sarado siya. Manual, ulit. Shelby Cobra 289. Grabe to. Ito, wild din talaga. Shelby 289. Wild na ito. I don't know how much the value is. Meron pa siyang oil cooler inside. I love the stripes. I love this logo. And I like the hood scoop. Active siguro. And yung hardtop niya, trip ko. Yung para siyang BMW shoe. No? Sarado yung likod. Tingnan mo yung gaano kalapad yung likod na gulong. Here. Sobrang lapad ng gulong niya. Grabe. Running on Goodyears na slicks. Slicks ata. Ayan. As you can see, puro switches sa loob. Grabe, no? Galing. Ganda. And of course, some old Porsches here. Ayan, vintage. So ito lang, I just wanted to highlight this section. Kasi masyadong mahaba na yung ginawa namin ni Derek. And I want to give justice to the event. Here in BGC. Ayan. Ito, the Jaguar is rolling out. Ganda, pag makakita ka ng umaalis na kotse. Ito, yung GT40. Ingay, grabe. Ito, we will witness what the Ford GT sounds like. Grabe. Hello, sir. Very nice car. Woohoo! Ingay. Grabe ito. Hello. Oh, si sir. Oh. Ingat pa uwi. Bye. Oh, rolling out. Woo! Grabe. Saya, saya. Alright, so this is just a quick video. Siningit ko lang talaga itong portion na to of this BGC Manila Sports Club event for the charity of St. Mary's School for the students. Very successful. Ganda ang mga lineup, sobra. Very inspiring. Ito, nakita ko nito first time, oh. It's very fulfilling experience going to this event. Kami ni Direk, nag-enjoy ka rin. Nag-enjoy kami, nakapagod lang. We're tired, puyat, walang tulog. Gising kami 4 a.m. But you see all these cars, all these builds here in one location. Kaya okay, so I'll finish the vlog. Thank you for watching. If you're not subscribed, please do subscribe. Help support my channel. Help with the algorithm. Leave your comments. And thank you for watching.
Two different levels, I cannot relate.